So, you're hearing a lot about Dubai's property market, right? It's always a hot topic. But what's really going on in 2026? Let's cut through the noise. We're going to give you the investor's briefing you need, the key trends, the biggest opportunities, and yeah, the smartest moves you can make this year. All right, let's just get right to it. The one question everyone's asking, is the Dubai gold rush over? I mean, all that explosive growth we've seen for years, is it finally running out of steam? Well, stick around because the answer isn't as simple as you think. Okay, get this. In 2025, a single developer, just one, Domac, pulled in nearly $10 billion in sales. That's the kind of insane momentum we're talking about, and it's what set the stage for everything happening today. But here's the twist. 2026 isn't just more of the same. The key thing you have to understand is that the market is, well, it's evolving. We're shifting gears from that old kind of frantic, momentum-based growth to something new, a phase of sustainable maturity. And listen, this is so important. It's not stopping. It's just getting smarter. So what's behind this shift? What's powering this new era? I can tell you it is not just hype. No way. This change is being driven by some really powerful, deep-rooted fundamentals that are building real, long-term stability into the market. And this stability, it's really built on three huge pillars. First up, you've got this constant flow of global talent moving in. More people, more skilled workers. That means more people needing homes. It's real organic demand. Then you've got the government, which is just unwavering in its support. We're talking super investor-friendly policies that make it easy and attractive to get in on the action. And the third pillar? Pure, rock-solid confidence. Investors see Dubai as a safe, profitable haven to grow their wealth. Okay, that's the big picture, but how does this new era of stability actually look on the ground? Let's break down the 5 key trends that are shaping the market right now in 2026. If you're thinking about investing, you absolutely need to know these. Trend number 1, the market's grown up. It's all about maturity and selectivity now. You know, the days of just buying anything and expecting a quick flip for a profit, yeah, those are fading fast. Buyers today are way more savvy. They're looking right through the hype and focusing on real quality, strong fundamentals, and properties that have genuine long-term value. Second big trend. End users are running the show now. And what do I mean by that? I mean actual families, people putting down roots, buying homes to live in, not just to speculate on. This is huge because it creates a really stable foundation for the market, and it's exactly why we're seeing such a massive demand for villas and townhouses. Trend number 3 is a really big one. We're talking about scarcity in prime locations. Seriously, if you're looking at those top-tier, ultra-luxury spots, think Palm Jumeirah, think downtown Dubai, they are flying off the shelves. The supply is limited, and that's creating this intense demand that's just pushing values higher and higher in those best of the best areas. Number 4 on our list, lifestyle is absolutely king. Buyers today want so much more than just 4 walls and a roof. They're demanding developments that focus on wellness. We're talking green spaces, amazing gyms, sustainable, eco-friendly design. It's all about the quality of life that comes with the property, not just the building itself. And finally, trend number 5, a surge in new supply. Now, wait a second, that might sound like a bad thing, right? But it's actually the opposite. It's a sign of a really healthy, balanced market. All these new projects coming online mean more choice, especially for those mid-market buyers. It helps keep price growth in check and stops the whole market from overheating. Okay, so now that we know the trends, the big question is, where do you put your money? Let's get practical. It's time to pull out the map and pinpoint the top investment hotspots for 2026. All right, here's your cheat sheet. For that ultra-luxury feel and incredible resale value, Palm Jumeirah is just in its own league. Looking for strong, steady rental income? Downtown Dubai is the premium urban center for that. Now, if you're hunting for future growth potential, you gotta be looking at the emerging waterfront at Dubai Creek Harbor. For more affordable, community-focused living, Jumeirah Village Circle is still the go-to spot for families. And if you're playing the long game, the massive developing hub of Dubai South is definitely the one to watch. So, we've got the what, the trends, and the where, the hotspots. Now let's talk about the how. This is your 2026 investment playbook. We're talking clear, actionable strategies to help you capitalize on everything that's happening right now. It really comes down to a simple 3-step strategy. Step 1, target long-term value. Forget about those quick flips. You want to focus on quality projects in really solid areas. Step 2, prioritize villas and townhouses. We've already seen that's where the real demand is right now. And step 3, If you're looking at off-plan projects, be smart about it. Be strategic. That means sticking with reliable developers in locations that are already in high demand. And hey, don't just take my word for it. This chart lays out the hard data. Just look at the rental demand for villas. It's still incredibly high. At the same time, the demand for apartments is kind of leveling out, stabilizing. This shows you in black and white exactly why villas and townhouses are the top performing assets right now for both price growth and rental returns. So, with all this going on, why is Dubai still such a powerhouse compared to other big global cities? To wrap things up, let's zoom out and look at the fundamental advantages that just make this place a consistent winner for investors. I mean, when you really put Dubai side by side with other global hubs, the difference is just stark. You've got tax-free income. You've got 100% foreign ownership. You've got absolutely world-class infrastructure. Come on, these aren't just little perks. These are massive, game-changing policies built for investors that most other places just can't or won't match. And all of that brings us to the bottom line, the core conclusion here. Even with all the changes with this whole evolution we've been talking about, Dubai remains a uniquely safe and profitable market for creating wealth, period. Okay, let's do a quick recap of your 2026 briefing. What do you need to remember? Number 1, the market is maturing, not slowing down. Big difference. Number 2, end users and scarcity are the engines driving prime locations. 3, villas and townhouses are the top performing assets right now. And finally, holding it all together are Dubai's pro-investor policies, which give it an unbeatable, stable advantage. And that leaves us with one last thing to think about. The Dubai market is clearly growing up. It's entering this new, more mature phase. So the real question you should be asking yourself is your investment strategy maturing with it?
Contact Roots Home Real Estate for more booking and details.